Let's make French country chicken. Prepare and cut bacon and chicken thighs. Brown the bacon in a large skillet. Season the chicken thighs well with salt and pepper. Remove the cooked bacon from the skillet and drain. Now it's time to brown the seasoned chicken in the same skillet as the bacon. Add the cooked bacon back into the skillet along with diced tomatoes, beef broth or beef stock, and stir well. Add some French dressing, Dijon mustard, and herbes de Provence. Stir the mixture well, and don't forget to add the butter. Cover and simmer about 10 minutes until the chicken is cooked through. Serve over mashed potatoes and spoon over the gravy. It's time to eat. Visit kudoskitchenbyrenee.com for the complete recipe.